Legato playing is really important and a cool technique to develop. It gives you a fluid, kind of floating sound. How does it work? Let's find out. Basically, there are two components to good legato technique. When you want to move from a low to a high note, you use hammer-ons. And for moving from a high to a low note, you use pull-offs. When you're new to the technique, you might think that you need a lot of strength to create the notes, but actually that's not true. The secret to good legato playing is to relax and go for quick, explosive movements. Let the momentum do the work for you. A warning: if you feel any pain at all, stop and take a break. Be patient and develop the technique over time.